You are the most important project you will ever work on. Your mindset, your emotional maturity, your ability to keep showing up when no one's watching, and the quiet daily work of becoming someone you're proud of. We spend so much time building lives that look good on the outside, but the real transformation happens within ourselves, in the choices no one sees, in the beliefs you challenge, and in the habits you choose when comfort would have been easier. There is no finish line for personal growth. There's only deep